Hello everyone, welcome to IB Math Solution. Today we are going to study the angle between a line and a plane. So consider this solid figure. Its vertices are labeled as P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W and X. This X is not a vertex, it's a point on this edge WV. So let's look at some lines and find their projections and the angles they make between themselves and the plane below. So let's consider line PQ. PQ is this line. Its projection is its shadow at the base. So the projection is going to be PU. So this is the projection of PQ. The projection is PU. Now PS. PS is this line. Its projection is going to be TW. SQ. SQ is this line. Its projection is going to be this line, WU. TU. TU is this line. Its projection is going to be this line, TU. QT. QT is this line. Its projection is going to be this line, UT. QW. QW is this diagonal. And the projection of this diagonal is going to be UW, which is this line. So UW. QX. QX is this line. Its projection is going to be this line, UX. XT. XT is this line. Its projection is going to be XT itself. And VT is this line. Its projection is going to be VT itself. Now let's find the angle between line and plane. So for the line PQ, the angle is going to be the angle between line PQ and its projection. So PQ and TU. We know PQ and TU will never intersect, so they will never form an angle between them. Therefore, this angle is going to be 0 degrees. The angle between line PS and a plane is going to be the angle between line PS and its projection TW. So PS is this line and TW is this line. Similarly, we know these two lines will never intersect, therefore the angle between them will be 0 again. For the line SQ, SQ is this line, its projection is this line. Again, they will not intersect, therefore the angle between the line SQ and its plane is going to be 0 degrees. The line PU, for the line PU is this line, its projection is TU. So the angle is going to be this angle between the line PU and a plane. Therefore, this angle can be written as PUT, angle PUT, QT. QT is this line, and its projection is going to be this line, UT, which is over here. The angle between QT and UT is QTU. Q, Q, T, U. This is going to be the angle between the line QT and a plane. The angle between the line QW and a plane is going to be, first we know QW is this line and its projection is this line. So the angle is going to be QWU. Angle between the line QX and a plane. So QX is this line and its plane and its projection is this line. So the angle between the line and a plane is going to be this angle. So that angle is QXU. QXU. The line XT. Line XT, its projection is also XT. The angle between XT and XT will always be 0. VT. Similarly, for VT, the projection is VT and the angle will again be 0. So this is how we calculate the angle between a line and a plane. Let's go to exercise 7G and solve some problems. Name the projection of each line segment onto the base plane of the given figure. So for AH is this line, its projection is going to be EH. BE is this line, its projection is going to be FE. AG, similarly, you can do all of them. I'll try this one. In this figure, RX is this line. Its projection is going to be RM. NX is this line. Its projection is going to be NM. Let's go to the next problem. Name the angle between the following line segments and the base plane of the figure. So AF. AF is this line. Projection is this line. So the angle is going to be AFE. PM is this line, its projection is going to be this line, that is FM. Therefore, the angle is going to be BMF. AD is this line, its projection is ED. Therefore, the angle is going to be ADE. BN is this line, its projection is going to be this line, FN. Therefore, the angle is going to be BNF. Now, in this figure, AB is this line, its projection is going to be AM. So, the angle is going to be BAM. BN is this line, its projection is going to be MN. So the angle is going to be PNM. AE is this line, so its projection is going to be AN, and therefore the angle is going to be EAN. Let's go to the next problem. Find the angle between the following line segments and the base plane of the figure. So CF is this line, its projection is GF, and therefore the angle is going to be CFG. CFG. AG is this line, its projection is going to be EG, therefore the angle is going to be AGE. BX is this line, its projection is going to be FX, so the angle is going to be BXF. DX is going to be this line, and its projection is going to be HX, therefore the angle is going to be EXH. Now in this figure, PR is this line, its projection is SR, therefore the angle is going to be PRS. QU is this line, its projection is RU, therefore the angle is QUR. PU is this line, its projection is going to be SU, therefore the angle is going to be PUS. QM is this line, its projection is going to be RM, therefore QMR is the angle. In this figure, QR is this line, its projection is MR, therefore the angle is going to be QRM. QU is this line, its projection is going to be MU, therefore the angle is going to be QUM. Now QN is this line, therefore its projection is going to be MN, and the angle is going to be QNM. In this figure, AX is this line, its projection is going to be AM, therefore the angle is going to be XAM. XY is this line, its projection is going to be MY, therefore the angle is going to be XYM. That's all for this exercise. I'll see you in the next session.